Nyamina ye nyami ankasa bredi aye de nkae dada. Said ye tie. Any baby aye dri. Nyami adaroma. 106.3 FM. 27 minutes to 4. And Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2019. Mema, good afternoon. Sama wa kwaba to your own show, Ofie Kwanso. My name is Jerry Justice. Make us a Papa Belswa. Anabedi de wa Mary wa. Yeah, you so wa. Betray you 10 years there. African so wa. Me pacho mami num nyom na yen kasa kakra. Ene Tuesday. Unim say Tuesdays there. Ye ho adru. Tuesdays. Yes I ho yare. Yes. Nemum enye adru a ye to ne yanom. Asetran mu ohaw emu dadwen atete enema bi a hyen so na eje yenije efri yensem enema e de areho ebre yen ema yentimi niye na yentimi mpem konkan wa brabo mu saa niema na ehwe na identify ni nyina na ya hwe kwan ye betimi afa so na yesi ano kwan ana kwan ye betimi afa so na yafi tibia etesa emu obia e wone de obi anu ne ho se oware just because of treatment be a ofem e wo fie obi so kura anu ne ho kura so wo ye because e ba wo no ne kwan e ba no de ne nam so no unya ye kura nka wa anwo sa abofra no obi nyaye ananka ne papa kura nko nte ase obi nyaye ananka ne maame nte ase beka se Jerry sembe na okay etoda until you experience it yourself ebinum kate bia omonamu a you won't believe it. Yes, ensem isisi na ensem bi eha minim de edunya minim de ehye so minim de etete wo but de minim ne se woni ye chesa asem na nyame enam counselor Oscar Sripi eso ye be find a solution to that problem no. It do Tuesdays say na a serious business said the bia me canon no. It is a woni problem bia I advise say men frɛ wo dey relax at home and baby bia wo bia no and just listen to the radio. Ne tie nkrofon sem na omo dey ba no. Na actually anuye anase solution na beba no so no watie bi. Amadachi bi no bia no bra kwantu yi. Obeko hia situation bi etesa. Ebedu ona wa no adru dada. So ate ase. Na mum won so a wo fati bia bi mu. Priao ade ni diwawu edunya unyo kamafo hwan po na osusu asem no akire no epacho frame ne ka asem no ekire me udin membo baby afrefi membo Ghana for the side no me wan de ono ni solution to problem no but onya te say ye wo ape na no what akosu ye na ye den and television de memodin baby afrefi so menka just go straight to the point and tell us what the problem is. Na said the bia meka no ye news me gusu a making nyamenam counselor Oscar Sripi eso ye behwe na yetimi e de asem na to baby a esese ye de to ebre ni osa nti straightforward na ye bebia homa na tum na onso wetimi afre abadwumadi nso eye confessions on Ofie Kwanso every Tuesday here on Adom 106.3 FM. Numbers to call 0302 216 561 ɛna 0302 216 562. My first caller wa homa so. Me pacho, me ma good afternoon.
Afternoon, brother.
Mini aba na empom te sen.
Na me ademo pacho na answer.
Adom ye anti me nso me ho ye. Me pacho ye ntie wasem a ode nam.
Brother. Pacho me ni boy bi no.
Aya na wa ma ne so kakra ma ye why?
Yeah. Pacho me say. Me ni boy bi no.
Ya woni ne wo sem a ware ana mo twempena.
Yeah, twempena. Na ise ke on here ska won. Na like o ka se me fe bon dey sama de man. And so like me ko bisa na se on first kana ma me pe na ise ni go for no person na ko ska
na aya na odi sika no e ma na wo de man so wo de bon besia na wo de man so do ntije
o se me fe bon besia
aya ono aka se fa bon besia
no de amam
and so time no so no ese otua na aya asem
me ko bita no asem na ni bro no ni me konto
na o se de o ka no won ne teche se o tene nchen
dabi
obi atene ba bi
pacho
na but mo wo yini se mo be ware ena se ne ho kire no be bo besia wo ho a on pese obetua akobisa no so ano no ko ntokwa
brother
okay yo ya te wasem no why
anti
ye behwe na kwan asem wo e be find next caller na yeti ono so. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Me pacho, what you saying?
Pacho, no.
Me pacho, yeti o.
Pacho, many them many ya wa 3 years na aya sometimes on pesa o de ni be kan ni wa ta ni be wa re ni ka je ni se ni pesa ni wa re sa ni pesa ni wo no ka je ni to no pesa o de and se na relationship ni ta no de jitu ni se la creativity on se peba afi de ya wa ya 3 years ni our women that we define ourselves on person from Jenny
hello
yes
me pacho yensan chance ye biem na mente ba bia se ye kakra wo se wo na ware for 3 years ni na one wonda
this year the on person ni that Jenny basically say we dey 4 times
from January 2019 ebesi sabre ye na October 15 yi oni ukunu ada 4 times pe hey nessa nansen ya me kura me ye ikura matwa mu na me pa cho me ba o me nua ba yi bibia ye fan a one da se wa se be ma no da normal unze bibia pepepe a
bibia ye Onko people come on catching a problem you no so mba no say me kan ba wachina
enti me ba o enti na otu say ukunu person no beda because from January to October no ada 4 times per day say na I say no won pe o
me say my phone wo condition na osi baby o ka say my phone wo condition dia endi bua now on peso be na wari ni bi and then onko jame
also on peso bet na wari ni mu bi etimunya wari
na ni then onko jame on ni se onko so do I know ko na nko ko fa ye tin fan gwe na so ni ti me chimpo
utiminya sa adwene se nka for dachi na me ba o ansana mo be ware no ono o mba dada
ono baba ko
ho dada ba o de oni bi
and 30 na 35 years
35 years
yes
Okay. Me know about ya to 70 you the better counselor ni why?
That's it.
Wow. Asemu. African yam fafro. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Good.
My dear to say. Already na wo ho no. My feedback and your cry. Oh, too bad.
Hello.
Yeah,
Hello.
Yes, hello.
I'm in for you home.
Now on no one say only ni obi won. Hello. Asemu patcho mo fra na mo ye na aye kama why na. Hello.
Hi.
Kwaku Emmanuel.
Baba Joe, obere ma ba ku pe ga na hani. Ke kira ho so obosuma se ekuya pim.
Okay. Asemu. Na hello.
Hello.
Asemu.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Pacho, me so me wa problem kaka.
Patcho problem in say.
Me pacho sister this so na me call me two kwan. Na me call ye no and am me so me say me ye edwuma bi ayeye. Oboa me be by at long last me ko share them so odemi to edwuma. By them and so did me to edwuma me at long last me ni so akasa eba me ni ntem and I'm feeling ho ekoi. By this year I'm my confused.
What's the minute I say you?
Me pacho. Me say na and I'm to study so.
It say sister no dey say onye ohwe ana.
Me pacho sister no me nya akasa.
Only sister na nya akasa.
Na bra no so boa me no so and I'm on so cry so.
Me ba.
Nya akasa.
Sister.
Hello.
What say enam sister bi so na odi two kwan.
Me pacho.
Enam ono a so esan boa ma onye adwuma ye.
Me pacho.
Ena afie ba ne say na ne ntem nyi.
Me pacho. See my son has much well but I say be a boa me do baby once I say me half baby.
Me ba say no wo susu say onye ne hwe but ono atimi a fine excuse bia de agina no so say why no from so bi ena ode
pacho
ba wo de ogidi say onye ne hwe
me pacho
and I say sad any time cause will be boa will be from the beginning now. Later now I find it be they are saying you if you own.
Me pacho.
Okay. I know so.
Okay, pacho.
Yes, we are that say to da timisi sisa. Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Pacho et saying.
What call me bra?
You. Pacho yet you.
Me so me o ha kakra me ha no say. Israel me ni nearby I have been asking me and I had to me de to counselor ni.
You slept with your sister.
Hello.
When you knew about die, say,
near to sir.
Ofano.
But also,
okay, me bow. Enti, Saturday and twice will be impended or saying.
Oh, bear 4 times.
Hey.
No, bear 11 or no, bear 8, 9. You see, you be our bass.
Now, 11 years.
Aye.
And I don't know why.
I know bear 8, 9 more. By a horse.
Most Suntina, I am money.
What's it?
It's not I am money.
Also, do our 8 years class, who have a cassette.
Tuna and our sister 8 years with me, Efron me.
What's it?
Okay, say no, say money, sister now, I also why, but
Jim
why are not at the end it.
I say, yes, Sana, the homes are no fair and I'm so fair in Dama. And Tamlin said, I know, the me who can, Kwanso. Nemo be answer money.
Na usita no ono so emo so da enkyerɛ sɛ bia saa de na ne yɛ no ɛha no.
O say
usita so kan kyerɛ da sɛ saa de na ono ne yɛ no ɛha no.
Debbie.
Ah, wo na etete o.
Ai. Ati so na ya ma me enya available ntino. Me so me ne nkwan ne wo. Nkwara bon so me ya na ata me wrong kakra so
Eno so na nka me bia ba bebisa sɛ ɛba ne sɛ na moyɛ saa de no because o sister de na ɛbɛba o team sɛ wo ne sister ɛna at that age no.
Da ja wo sɛ e kan na sɛ video bi mu wo ai nkurase sɛ ntumi. Asɛm kɔhwɛ blue bi. Me kai pa ɛna ma me yes me try ahwɛ ne sɛ kɔba ne saa.
Okay. Yeah, the better counselor in Niatre, dear beat me for a while.
Okay.
All right. Yes, that's a pass or free. Yeah, for last one. Yen to us queen. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, Roger.
Good afternoon, to say.
Okay.
If I show it you.
Oh. If I show could be an I know, like sorry.
Pacho, hello.
Hello.
Yantishi crowd.
Pacho, what's me?
I have a video tunka.
Pacho, Michelle job. Our club. I mean, the sound say, oh, yes, man, or not that. And then the mini coffee. And commodity did the man and the catch and say, me pay scamano, now or they are starting business. Now, me yam pen here. Na me pay scam na me just for their starting business. And the new one eja otaba me ten eja ekoto fa ho ba ko. Less than 2 weeks and catch them say like onion. Nti enya me say mate. Na me dey go hospital na ko check the pregnancy test. Na negative. And me say dey go hospital. O say on say onion mampa. And I go check scan and also negative. So na again it's onion. And I have Ofie. And waiting the threatening upon threatening Mankasa. So later, and I'm say, you phone me, Basso. Na me say, okay, so the uncle, ne mammy ho. Na uncle, in nature, na Michelle. Uncle, baby, or no, a quiet one to maintain uncle, the Kenyan and maintain uncle by a colony film. And what's up? Sesiano, on one case, Sesiano, me mebu ni kwasia, intimintia skabimano. Ana me pese, me to counsel and say, Asamu, no me anything.
Enti, or de pregnancy ni kotra ni ma me nchen kopim so kowe and one question down.
If I told me, no, see a coin one to the scam in the becono. If I man. Na on one fan start business because
okay me bawo ye hwɛ ne ante ade bi ase yie kakra abra pregnancy ne bae no wo kan bibi sɛ mo koye test but no mo say negative
pachoan
ɛna mo san koye scan wo ba fufuo bi me no so ne say negative
ɛno ko ye hwa
okay ɛna but na boya no dey still o insist sɛ onyem
sa hospital wa no ntia se kra doctor no kra ka chem say me nja life man. By so now, no, just you the
okay, and now later no day, wow, who's any your food bassa will be on him.
But join
it, you are who and then yes, and to go no dash at a deba who your funeral physical on him.
If I join, intimidate room,
it you have the object to on him.
But join,
and now, Omane corner, mammy ho.
But join
one question that copim so away.
I don't know, mammy crack, yes, like a coin, baby, one, Ewa, me pese me boku.
Okay, it's you o man in iska, o send in iska.
But me bibia, bukiani kwentia once because bibia.
Okay, and as I say no
pregnancy to child bibia me na me tiai.
And as I say no akola na free mu akola na ewu.
But
one survive it.
Yeah.
And oba na back to you say what bu kwasia.
Bibia like that town.
It's me bawo. Say no waba back no or demand this a coswane and tran and wine and now say Pisca be never jan quine.
the man is a minutes can be in the coin. But we know me percent a bushing phone in a way of that.
And son of money, BB.
But join.
I know dear. We know no be property, some of property yip.
And waiting to about like at them be of family, I know the matem.
Of Ruby, I know do at home.
Yeah, of family, I know the matem. To the extent, say, or yeah, like the whole tribe say, you or yam is also.
Yeah.
And you know, Mr. Semisha, the moving for now, that can all can. Not me, the amount, but Mr. Say, witnessing to know. Yeah, the better counselor anymore. Nah, yashe, why? Till the crosswanity. Busia said I didn't acquire no sana. Dear Anna, you know. Ya be share Naya Humboa, 8 miyako counselor. Na yeno atwaso. Guaranteed Trust Bank, GT Bank ni 20 friend when they or then Commodaba the aban say we introduce you quick credit. We a salaried customer or Guaranteed Trust Bank they any abusuan with them. Quick credit e boa mo timi borrow up to 100% of your monthly salary instantly at only 2% interest rate for 30 days. ATU phones is here about star 737 star 0 hash. Next select a payday credit. Now I agree to the terms and conditions. No, why enter pin now I confirm it. Pronto, Sikana or no, your request it will be credited to your GT Bank account instantly. Underline instantly. Yes. Etichatum says here, no sampa GT Bank in Mwede. Bet me afraid for further assistance and other information. 0302 611 and now 23 0800 124 000. Terms and conditions apply. Guaranteed Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? Feco spray starch. To was a fatwa deno. Na any na hop. In legend of a kama news and pie guy. Material any other dark run any as I am monobeam. Or the twadi we anim we a doors woman to spray a chance and a son. We are another quality product if it's Samara Company Limited. They are available at shops and stores and supermarkets. I don't need them. Feco spray starch. I see looky sharp. Africa Diamond Cable Company Limited. I'm also NMI and Signal Cables. So per conduit cable, flexible cable, PVC cable, armored cable, and that's a data cable. They can't count you now. Top papa no. If it's Signal Cables, yes. Papa and Signal Cables. Yeah, if it's Africa Diamond Cable Company Limited. Yeah, what Tema Community 7 between Tema Technical and Ofie GTP. They are correct in sizes. It lasted longer. Now are very affordable. Make us say Ghana Standards Authority for Energy Commission for Muina Jatum say Ampa Ejina Brane. And into all electrical shops across the country, Ubenya Signal Cables CBH crime. And yes, our phrase 0303 309 499 and our phrase 050 9040 709. Signal Cables, the nation's cable. Yankwa Homano Sona Yene Counselor Oscar CP Eni Inkitown. Counselor, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Jay.
Yamia Dumu and then so they are chemi. You did say also here, pa.
Yamia Dumu.
Nice. Counselor, Abrante asked me the Mr. Jamalism, the no chassis. Say, Oba Okoshian club. Na odasem ba mu na hu so ba ne nyadwuma no no ayen so obeboa na padwuma manai na in the process no pregnancy ko bam but o kire kra o mkoye ye test ni na na say negative oba ne nyim bia ba later no ohun so oba na furu e ba afi de ohun so oba ne nyim eti kone kwotena ma me nchen kakra no nhwe ne wo afi me ba besra wa yeso we kwan ne wantu de mema o de fasika mum ma ne na fa hwe entotoye wow still wanwu akora so achi yese akora no awu afiri mu. Now, was saying back if you name me or buy no, o chese be ma na bunu kwasea tinye se bi oba na betena ware na emu no on pesika enfama no enfam pata no abrante no a problem ini ya sisi no se sa na be pa de a ene je se bi oba na busuafo ba mu ansa na watimi ya sa dem because oba no friend anytime bi atem di die nko na chese wode e mane no ofun so ane ade a councilor say we e kan say
me da si me chief no na production team obia
ye na ya joso
o the guy me say again about back back doesn't mean so about na on internet here na
what film ma me wasan aba
so better than change
man shed them mi san but I'm sure say I am sure say waba nen chain
on net
we dey me senka jamaji senka me san
ya you get it here na so non kasa get it be no city.
I am sure say now no there because on internet because also of friend bia or here na ntem say on internet say
and no see akora na ewu no we wu no
there be
and na on maniska to the time of the war.
Yeah.
Okay, the first question is how long did it take before akora ni wu and a bandit then it take him for 1 week a bandit na ya wu ni ba 1 week when to me anko be after that no and I say okwa akora no hospital na akora ni wu. These are things we have to consider me. Now, or can say, Nankasa Wajiatu, so person compensated girl.
Yeah.
But of a witnesses.
Yeah.
And yes, that's no kind no. And can only get the Kabia. But because of Nankasa Jiatu say, oh, this is what I want to do. I want to compensate girl. And no, mean to me, can't say more, yes, sir.
Okay.
Because release is not woman. You may cost me, I was not witness to that.
Yeah.
Once we agree about compensating girl, as he said, no, unpaid witnesses. Be an imam, and any bini papa, any girl man no secret. Based on what has happened in the past, no, compensation in it. I'm moving also moving on. And yes, Sanka, only girl Kadia, because we know I'm not working on him. And I'm not Uska na Kurano di. I think even Kurano coming who what are running brown as a green and a white coming. But say also we wouldn't question. We wouldn't question why any day. But as he said, I don't know why you are too so person compensate again. And because of what he has said, no, he should go ahead and do that. And then unpaid witnesses, normal witnesses, okay, based on whatever now happened, no, the compensation in me, you move on with your life, and I also move on with my life. However, no, because of a moment here, no, you cannot. What is the compensation? Compensation for what? One person would do one man nipano and on wow. You didn't respect yourself and I didn't want money pan wow. You cannot go to anybody and demand compensation. And Kagani can't say money compensated bia, make more money compensated bia. But because Nankasa dia to me, that one I cannot say that. But when you be nam money nam, but no one him. No Munauska because he said no Munaniska. Now after that, no man warrior. Not only Nibebia. Where's the compensation? But because he has agreed on that, no, let's move on. Compare or be witnesses. Momentarily, nobody's can man. You now so that he can move on with his life.
Okay. Abrante asemi so had dream or say on his sister die. Abraham on war 11 years, and his sister no war 8 and 9 thereabout. On any die on 4 occasions in Kwa. Na and they when you man sister now worry on so worry but anytime bia obi hu sister ni bia no or shut down feel good or feel bad about it ama ultimately
it hear a bit of that and no can say the reason why he did that he say film they were showing some films in the village, right?
Yeah.
I'm sure be when he came home he wanted to practice it.
Yeah.
The sister never the experiment, the object for experiment. And nothing as a nation, we must be very careful what you are teaching the children.
Yeah.
Also, CSE, be a system. And children are going to be taught how to put on all those things.
Yeah.
Also, see, Musa, Musa, no, share film be, or share film, you know, whatever he saw in that film, no. If what he's thinking,
put it into practice,
and said, because of what I've seen, I want to go and practice it. At that material moment, when you be out,
no one in Yaba.
And that is why, as a nation, we must be very, very careful. Now, I'm saying, we call social media. We must say, in senior work, kasi omu work classroom. And yet, we come into Minka. You come away at the Minka. Minka, Papa, my minimum class assembly. But they are saying it. It is a trauma side. The people say, oh, let's teach them so that they know their rights. When they begin to know their rights, they will start practicing. So statistics say, "My school, you see, I didn't say. Now me banner me say me practice here." Then these are the results you are going to get, and that's why we must be very careful. I am dwelling on this point because of seeing no musha and no share film, and an assistant be the object of practice. It has happened in the past. What I was telling him is, he should go and see a soft, and then they take him to a deliverance service because he has committed an abomination.
Yeah.
In the Bible, no being in the sister that's our repino, Emma later and the brother Absalom Kun. He has committed an abomination. Uncle then infant go through deliverance service. Bible is saying just to forgive you. 1 John 1:9, and to cleanse you from all righteousness. I believe in the forgiveness of God. Okonya knows sincerely God will forgive him. And as he goes through the deliverance services, that will be taken off. But as a people, we must be very careful. When people begin to learn certain things at certain age, listen, there are things that will come. People wonder, there are things that will come. And so, with what the guy has told the whole world, share film as a young boy, and who sin if you will see film and practice, but the object of that practice, I want the sister, and that is why we must be very careful with all that is going on with this CS, because I go on the net, I'm seeing young people talking about some things. Other than that, they do baby. We are teaching them. They will look for an outlet to vent, and the honor, and we will all feel the consequence of what we are talking about. Let's be very careful about what you are teaching children.
Okay.
You want to practice. Let's move on.
And you're not moving on. A rain so chese obi obeboani bia omboani nkusiase echi na asan aye bibia na sister bi boa na ma otu kwan osan boa na ma onya adwuma ye brother bi nso so beso mu boa na ne ade but later on afi sister no accuse no say ono akoka kan ho se mo akire nkrofo bi otimi say ade a wonye ye kra na yeso waye ama enei the problem about between on it sister na kwese sana na brabo na kwari obi aboa na achiri na asan da na etia no
o say nkofo boa no na be problem ana so no boa nkofo
boa na se onye obi na obeboa na onipa no willingly person ofina akoma mu boa na say genuinely ba bedu ba bi no na omo asan for no ansan ne hotan ase e person ne ho afno no person say yin fio.
Let me say, how this more voice to Kakamami because I'm not
I say
Nkofo Boano.
Nkofo Boano.
No problem.
Say Obi I say oh me boa na onipa ni fina akoma mu na eboa no so endu ba bia na say ne ho afro onipa na person boa na afi the person doesn't even want to see her face again.
I get it. You see what she needs is favor. Assassin and nam so no. And you know maybe because you have nam na you have the seen world and unseen world.
Yeah.
My advice from the man is only a lot of fasting. Okay, so that her star will bright.
Okay.
Now, on your favor from Yami, there was a guy in the Bible, your friend, Jabez. You might see the reason to Jabez, because of the pain he went through, or they know they won. Bible says Jabez was more honorable than his brethren. But that honor never was to know. Now, until he went to God and prayed that God should expand his coast and Mishilano.
Yeah.
On spending a lot of time in fastings and prayer. So that I didn't be done. Because I didn't done so. Oh, as I say so, you need favor. You need favor to go through. And so be the same person say on Kasanwa, then there's something wrong.
Yeah.
Not spiritually, no, ordinary. But sometimes spiritual own position who you are, some of these things happen. And she should spend a lot of time fasting and praying and believing God that whatever it is, it will be taken away. Other than that, you need favor. And those things, you have to spend a lot of time praying and fasting. On find a woman, Christo, you should give your life to Christ. As a Christian, I know that if you give your life to Christ, you will turn your destiny around. There's no power greater than the power of Christ. Now, you should find a mujano and prepare whatever it is. Or the woman, Christo, she should spend a lot of time in fasting and prayer so that she'll be able to deal with that thing.
Yo, the ono so chese mami oni nukunu aware for 3 years ni. Na bema no empese one ne bewo ba. Na okaya ma fe bema no beji tum so okay dey one ne bewo ba. But enam kura na ese enko yi, but nansen de agye agukura ma ochra from January this year 2019 ebesi October imu ewe bema ne nada only 4 times nukunu one nete.
January October.
Yes, 4 times. She say a hard dream pa. She say me am dream one me tell.
But Bema no oba there.
O say Bema no oba one. But ono de oni bi. Na say kro kakan na abufu aba ma Bema na ka chen say ohwe no ntimi ebe ya ono kra na ni relationship no bi nti no pa o. Nti opa onya aware no.
The man is very selfish. O say onu oba no. On person in Bewu, for whatever reason. What they make catch again is own country the bush for. Oh, some of the things they do baby, you have to bring family people in for them to know what is happening on the ground. For all you know, go be the chicas again on to me. Oh, for all you know, no be the chill.
Yeah.
That's okay. Have a try what that they on. But the problem is not her. The problem is the man. On in that. And be out, whatever, no, brush back. And I'm saying, no, because I will and say, we had 3 weeks with him.
Me cry, I say 4 days. My chum, oh, my fire. 4 times they my chum, a counselor.
Also, I didn't ever say more fire and a different room. And no fire, you ought to make that sound. Pa. It's like, why catches on you when you ready? But don't worry, no fire to see anything on you, no panic. Simply. I want to no father right time. Just put that one aside.
Yeah.
My point is on penny bushing for. No one can say this is what the guy is doing. No money in casa. Because only now the person already. And for you know the man is enjoying somewhere.
Yeah, some more.
Yes, for you know fire baby. If you want to go on time. But once you call the attention to what is happening, BBC and media will say, okay, because of this and that, there is a ban going, you know. It's also here. Also be a to no one be sent or yes, sir. Okay. But for you know when you will be or fire.
Anyway, yo, and then that final one, no. Also just say, Obama, or no, wohono. Yes, almost boom, or tin baby no Obama no so ti baby, but almost 8 days, you almost shouldn't go and beat me away now. Bema no children now. You also about the bush. I born based on person beat you. And Bema being a fool. But if you come, we are bow, only the manam. No, you're for night, sir, one bone also. I say, Ujawa, BBC, or Sassua, son of a young how. But I'm sure, say, oh, I am in no casa because now I know you are married. Papa, this I know because I know worry. Papa. My point is that on your banamwa, not a ban sumoboa, and you value the lady you are working with. Yeah.
Because of your ban. There's a way you treat her.
Yeah.
And I believe you only because on your band and for no warrior. You do your best.
Yeah.
I'm not saying oh you have to but no maybe you are able to in the birthday near the about you challenge them in a oh you just support the lady because you want the person.
Yeah.
I think that Jacob person rich, you know. Maybe American. He spent 14 years of his wages. 14 years, not the worry rich because of Donald. But then you are the one pushing for the relationship. And you know to me about the give me a loan, not a gift. Give me a loan. And then let our just can another enter. The first thing that catch a lady says, such a person or why now she's in trouble. I'm telling you. Oh, could be sent bush on the crowd. Or need to be sensible to tell you. So don't worry, be a me, take it be a me expect a buy to the Tobonis animal. Not the end to car. That such a person is irresponsible. But no, or buy no other pretend this is mammy loan. On say, or the ego, on can say, me watch me, tell it to be mammy.
Yeah.
On say, different. You been also telling me watching the baby mam number for can for 90 for 1 week. Then any loan. But because of working in ego, no, about the mammy loan. And then after me, Baba Jimmy Sika, then you want to bluff and you are insulting me. Young lady, please, such a person cannot be a responsible husband in future. The first thing. Usika no dia mama no na, cut it off and count your losses and move on with your life. Don't give him any money again. No money is kept you. Because about so the loan, one got man be no function. And if you say give me loan, not later me babe dia, and you are behaving that towards me, you are being irresponsible. And I'm saying that such a person who worry no, you are in trouble. Men drink crab is over worry no. Who the scan of their man no see loan on you, no jana semano. Forget about such a person and move on with your life. And man munti in caution. Position yourself very well. Other than that, they treat you as if you're a doormat. And I'm saying that women are tender. Women are supposed to be respected. But before them are very respectful, before Jerry spending scar or the one in the year, no, or we say about he has value. Jerry Boa.
Papa.
I don't know about this for the moment and spend all those years. Me I tell you no was no banana tadina. Me who ni na. Oh boom. Until yes, I didn't man. Who shame in yam. If you don't respect yourself as a woman doing courtship, or them be treat you anyhow, hold yourself and let the man know the meaning of bano. Treat me well with respect and dignity. Yes, the bomb bisha, the babajia, it means that the guy doesn't value you, you are the one pushing for the relationship.
Okay.
In courtship, relationship, no, it's not one-sided. No, a mutual. What do miss me do? Because I mean, I'm a dog. The Yobanam de Amawa. It means that if I don't value young ladies and young ladies, more courtship, more position yourself very well.
You.
Boom, not the minimal respect. This issue, Mammy Loan, may you know that a person cannot be a responsible husband in future.
You. That's a power counselor. We there, best Simaba could be never my foot will be na young fans also.
Yeah, me that say, me, the mechanic say, oh, a Brabona airborne. Be very careful. Bible said, do not be deceived. God cannot be mocked. Whatever a man soweth, that person shall reap. Be very careful. No matter how you know. Because at the end of the day, the one you shouldn't hear, it can become a problem. And I'm telling the whole nation that this thing called CSE, we must be very careful about it. Other than that, one day, we'll pay a huge price. All the people who are going around supporting it, with what the guy said today, should be a lesson to everybody. Say, I think say Akwada would you car man will feel so in two car. Maybe with the merchant driving. Information be her, Akwada. Information demand nipa gradually. That's when we are going to school. You learn 1 + 1. Now we call 1 × 1, 1 - 1, 5 6 divided by 2. Before you come to simple mathematics and understand, they begin to do calculus, and then you begin to do investment appraisal. If you go to the university, you begin to do about economics, at a certain level, demand curve, supply curve near the because now you don't give information, sexual information to children. In the name of what? We must all be very careful. Because other than that, one day, he feels at the face, and all of us will regret. For me, with what this guy said, let's learn. Need information be shown somewhere, and you cannot handle it. If you can be problems. If you have not given your life to Christ, give your life to Christ. Jesus is the solution for every problem on this earth, whether you believe it or not. Is the solution that God has given. Who do want my Christus so? One day, all that we are all doing will appear before God one-on-one and give account of our lives. No pastor will be there for you. Your wife will not be there for you. Your boyfriend will not be there for you. Your girlfriend will not be there for you. Your husband will not be there for you. None of your siblings will be there. Jerry will not be there for me. I will not be there for Jerry. One day, Abraboni Yenebono will stand before God and give accounts of our life. But with what the guy has said, no, let's be very careful about the information we want to give to children. Other than that, that information can destroy their future.
Yo, yeah, that's a pa counselor. Nyame ensure Nyame aduma next week. You better also. Amen. A futu na counselor de amaye no. Enu nti e betwa ho na yama opani Kwame Edu abam na all the Paul and Silas are brain. Enu achi na seda bia esese ye de ma aboafo no ye de saseda no so beba na ye de ama ya aboafo no nyina ono e boa ye ema yetu ye honfo no ti sabre de Paul and Silas na ne bre asoe. Openi Kwame Edu atena se yama na kwa aba na ja onsan mo yen komo mi ehunu Paul and Silas abrabo yi adwuma sami bukata sami sen na ekro
ye momadwo emma kwa aba etiefo e de ba Paul and Silas dwumadie so media ne Openi Kwame Edu ametiaja ba kufie e wa ablekuma enanso masan de medwa empene se setiente ya ye nyai chesoa Paul and Silas omo yo madwen se omo ti ase die adwuma na se omo ye na sesei omo chinchire no ano omo akohia Openi bia ye friend body killer na body killer yi wono ma yehye ho efa edwadi a opese woni Paul and Silas edi no ho
eti adwumban anyai sisere ya ti ye ho ase ye de nkofo ne beba ye be marketing no ye de nkofo aba nti ye de ba no ama yen 20%. Yeah, find 20% and one no. Nkofo ye de be ba no. Ni pe be ba no. Obeka say what? Wo say me ji wudi pa. But and one no. Obeka say, "Oh, why me never know ba hey? He for na ba hey. I said ye ni ba ba." Hey, Paul. Yes. Paul na dey na ye. My day. And then I can say to say that we are ready now. And you are boy. And when you see what is so maminti, na chimie nam. A chimie no ya na chimie nam. Bona chimie nam. Salas. Sisi no menya plan. Nkofo na yakopa ma body killer. E wo say ye pe style bia ye betimi atwe amanfo bebre. Nti me see ye nye flyers. Fryers. On say anyama na echiche o print bibia na wa draw nipa na to so ne yi. Poster nkatan. Ye be poster. Enu bi ne atama manfo. Dama e be twetwe manfo be bri aba. Na sika ye be nya no. Enyimo bi o poster ni bi. Oh, mensuro. Ye be pe kwan ye be no. Na ne ye nchaka. Ye be tuaka na say ye be nyisika be bri. Ye ni ko ba ko ne nya. So gari. Ma ana o sene sere yo ya. Me apa. Mexican moja brema na. Oh, that be. Oh, Sungari, nyabutari alba. Paul. Oh, na yeko no na asa okrose. Waje, se photo da boni dem ho bebrebe. Obutu wa ye yo. Ene onu made he. Je se dam kona. Ye pekwan. Ye nkosu. Aha. Sungari. Oh, usi die ha me pa o. Oh, enano so de kafra. Oh, na hayen. Ye hu ina se oh. Sunkari ya mame a ma ye wa chedie na ne fie tui o ye be ne den yo mo kama chi so mo shika mo dia bro so mo fama anya no anya o de Sunkari hwe wi asa hu it is sketch bebra bowu na scan da all say flee de here na say ye o se ye pekwan o se ye be ne den baby do wo she o de mbe ko na danfo bi ho onji mi shika o be hwe me kama nti baby na hwehwe me hwe no o de mbe ko jai men hwe baby menhwe baby bia from high yet that be no bi wa catch do your baby flea men who that free no ya papa
na so baby oyo ni papa into the junidi
baby ayi papa baby oyo ni papa dem baby a
Zunkari ni tintiri ni tetia ne se yan ye beboa wo oh say ye de wo ka na say ni nyina ntino e wo say why say ye maame ntino ye pese ye boa wo ye nipa bi wo ho a wono de eba esen oh wan se no ntumi nye abrante ya oye ayi women ono ne se be 10 million we ye nyina kama so oh nti se a wo de ne de ye be ne kama iti nyabotre na ti yedi ye de ko nipa no ho baby de ne de baby oni baby on sese ne mpenafo ni bi e na ode wo kɔ ho na ɔne wakoye ye niema wow
so me ni sika baby o mo de me ko ye be sika
ɔno na kyerɛ da ɔbɛyɛ adwuma papa ma itwa kawa ɔno no wanyɛ papa botum adan ne kaw
miri pa ya meken ɛnyɛ se nkwa so no yo sɛ wo pɛsɛ wo hyehyɛ wo honam na wo honam ni mu yɛ kete na wayi wata so ɛne wo tu no wayi ni nyina gyina so a ɔbɛhyehyɛ wo kama
la
so oh, and that's what you do.
Oh, na Miriam
Silas, a young co-fam which you trust Bona. Silas, a pobomu ekunini Bona. Silas.
Hey, Paul.
Adiba.
Me tesa mo kase obi oho to me no for ne to ne eyi. Oh, de na mo ka che sunkari no. No krana.
Oh yeah.
No krana. Na when here bi.
Eh, mo ye sure say no kre.
Oh yeah. Ye baby, hwe. Oya adebasa.
Sa. Anka mi hia mo akakra bi.
Adeba de ohia mo na no we.
Paul Jaisa, many abre. Some mostly pakro to me ye dwuma ne kama pa de ne was say me hu no.
Wo sika nko ade a enye problem.
Ade a chia no pa no. Paul na Salas. Eboaboa wo hu. Said dwumadi a omukokodi ye no. Omo de ho amane kwa akobọ body killer.
Hey, Paul. Atumai.
Hey,
anye ampa.
Hey, what you?
So any ade.
Oh, my feel.
Ya katra.
I'm for baba me ano.
Say katra.
Obi aba support.
Sesi akwa ye onkofo bi ye kọ bo sesi akwa katra omo amoma ba ohun. Nka obetimi nya kakra bi ama ya no hu. Ni aka ye de afaka. Anya live ya. We nka ya ketua ne hu. Wa na wo ma ye kakra.
Wo de je hwe me mom be say.
Oh, my 3 million grand, 300 cities.
Oh, na no say. I'm about 300 cities, just like that. They could decide.
Oh, that be you could decide.
And I can't na Ufa Queen. Abidjan Grand Bajosa.
Oh, na to power say the other Kakrabi maybe other for mine, young Quay.
I come in 10 by the other 5.
Yeah, Beno. Only the 5 names me dying.
I need your 25, also their 25.
Mati, o de fama en yankwe.
Silas, a young co-fam which you trust Bona. Silas, a pobomu ekunini Bona. Silas.
Hey. What can be happen?
Hey, bra, we bra. Hey, Michelle, here, buddy. Okay, bra.
Ajay, sister. The kind of Bobby.
Oh, shake her from me. Baby, I make a crash. Nyama, oh yeah, uti, one night.
One malaria.
Kafra, yeah, I didn't. Me assemble Ukraine. Hey, me say me back, baby, my gin the pan, me busia for, and I say, and I'm what, and I say, me who be a menampo. He assemble every
O kasa dos papa.
And you me say baby I'm free ba me busia for and I'm say worry and now you get when now and now how and no my tre and no my say and I be my way and no ya ba ku eja me and I say just me baby me kwina ma gin na yem hey afra what your friend pokia na your friend say
your friend Paul.
Oh, Paul, back Kafrati. Tnas na me fan ko hospital na.
David sister. Me tnas me parentam.
Oh,
me na ha say abu. Me ti ha say ha hwe ho. Me sister hu nyina. Aroro. David. O de kan nyina bom na me ko hospital no minim ne bo. Ebe
sika ye problem ma me fan ko ebia na internal hwan.
O de anya hwe, o de no ne me masem ntu de pekakra ma me na me nko.
And sa okay kabo ma ebesi say hospital idea no
ebesi 3.5 300 400
3 and a 4 bra
4
Matse
Eswana
oh me dem me wa enju because me be free ba pan to dey hwe jiwe na ji me card ukwa de be si bia sa friend me what he obi abrante ka fra what ho
you Matse that
wo so efe pon kan be pra we akete we bra oh
na person so me mu
o so me ka so me hwe se we pra so dey a wo ka se wo nsane wo nan ne wo ti na me hwe se
o dey Matse that yakọ
it's friend me why friend me who hear me pa why
yeah be an free the free abonu keni renti e be an free the free oh ya no e free the free so we got to say no mienu kwa
Salas
no we jina mamenta bro ni luko
hwe ka kiti ko de gane bo me anka me boa
kana kan e ka me ti de we kuno sana owa
o ma me ne card eno kwa no ma me
me de me mpe oba ya so hwehwe mi obi am o so de ka bo me o hwe me samwe bi asa o person ne nsa so me mu na me say na o you say so so mu enwa so na nwa jo ne need me no mani nyina ho o hwe me say na nwa no ne body bi I say straight bi I say kosuru kobo bi oni baby de ni bi nti awurade nti baby ntina yipo owoska eso ya manage hwana obotum am heska ye botum ye nyeska fi no onyi baby ne body ni bi nti na say ye body killer kra ho onya me type ye so body killer no a obotum ahihye no man body na dey baby ni dine bi pepepe ampo na enya wo type ni bi baby me ndano kware me mpe basi betimi
etiefo sesei de ya akoye se omu ye nya obi e de akoma body killer na we kra mpo ebewie ni seni ochina obo ade dom ye na ade pa bi chie ne ahaya ne hyiame na me mfa de aka mo mediane se wo bo medion bono se de wasi abono no a nesu me penisa makramo
bye bye when you go me a guy brutal. Anyways, the first I can say my cow bank. About your cow bank says the same main country say. And they were quite cow bank agent outlets they are back. They will hear a valid national ID, your fingerprint, and I feel contact details where we bet me a transacted business with Cow Bank agent outlet. How do you know Cow Bank agent banking channels? No, and they would me be a Cow Bank snap account. Would me make it deposit and I feel withdraw cash or transfer funds to your bills. How do you know? So, any of our agent outlets in your neighborhood. So visit your nearest agent location to enjoy the convenience of banking within your neighborhood. For further information, visit our website at www.cowbank.net and our contact via email and customer care at cowbank.net. But means our friend toll free 0800 500 500. Cowbank Agent Banking, your neighborhood bank. Yeah, to us, MTN Pulse and Chill. Yes, and they do Kakopimo Dubai, ATV riding on the desert, skydiving na Dubai Negu Nasia, chilling on the beach on a martini, being at the ADB all side near the Adeno. Ya name we do. Teenager foundation bina ubetimianya sa kwenyawe. Sounds so betimianya. An all expense paid trip to Dubai from now till the 30th of November 2019. Just keep talking and browsing with your MTN Pulse mashup bundles. No, now call him the patrol uses here. You phone on the boss star 567 hash to mash up today and build points. Actually, P now also and so betimiya winnie Eddie Akanho. Tipomodi answer the home ebe shemubi. Professor checking out who baby or drua. Patrol send a check to 567 and I'll bet me use MTN Pulse app no. Now they are check your points no. MTN Pulse just be terms and conditions apply. We there for you everywhere you go. Silence. I stay on and come out Holland Motors. Holland Motors nene or mom booster oil. Yeah, fi Holland. Now kabia one so ne dia betimi dia gumu. From 0W20, 5W20, 5W30, 5W40 Nina available. Your automatic transmission fluid and so on ATM for all vehicles including CVT, WS, Destron 6 HP, 8 HP, 9 HP Nina available. Sounds your original oil filters for Mercedes-Benz, Toyota, Hyundai, Nissan, Honda, Ford and the Kaunina. The sounds original spark plugs from Denso, NGK, Bosch, Nina available. And I feel brake parts, Papa, the show car now, must say giant. Branayan use latest technology and determine the right oil and spark plugs for your vehicle. When we check Abeka Adom Junction on the Abekala Pass Road, close to the Ghana Telecom University Annex. Friend 0246 588 908. Afe 0233 588 808 and 0302 267 683. Roma insecticide spray papa na uhiani we ene kum tuntun na tu amase amane wabusu na timi adana mo afili mo asonso dai papa bi kama pa de abom bra e man tuntum tete we enye wona mfiri nsem ene time we da no kura so na be san spend time ni na de pampam tuntum sa be dan da Roma insecticide spray who spray go na kum tuntum ya na ja nice fragrance o dem o the call no so is smokeless and pumisie it enfa kata ne cold infection friends cold chest infections be am be jam so e mo na dwuma wo yeso kum tuntum no be kum correct na so atimi ada they available at shops and stores and supermarkets out on any name from what they are so be my own account there yeah, there's a number more we not just a quamuat and say Burem. Now, yeah, they irrigated sports a bro. It's yes, I'm ready. I meant to decay be a quamu, Nafi, a chita for so associate Muaj and Babaka cracker near Quenim.
Fellow Ghanaians, brothers and sisters, this is Hassan Ayerga. Keep listening, irrigated sports. It's real sports. Do best for you, good for you.
Well. Please, irrigated sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging,
that's right,
and perfect unexpected. Irrigated sports. A papa. So listen to irrigated stuff. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too. So Kum Chacha.
My name is Prophet Kum Chacha. I'm listing alligators sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kum Chacha, I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
God bless you too. So for mommy?
Order for me in this Sisi Chum. That they be a irrigated sports. There's no day minty irrigated because mitia manage na me stressa.
Papa. Shawali.
This is Shatta Wale right from the Shatta movement and you're listening to irrigated sports. Lock it down. Block.
Ya block it. Kwame akwaba. Na honanu muti say
I timpo anu de na ati anwem so ati ase
honanu muti say ase ya timpo anu
ya say anwenu de wo mu ade honam be ye ya ya da nwenu
ho ya na honye
anya sa akwaku
na na afemi biza na ati anwem me so wo ho te say
na ya opandi kan ya radio mu de ya na ya yi ba bi na ya la
se wa aliaku
jajo
akwaba
majosu
mpombo ko de
anya boko sa
ene de baby am fire ni
kunye ise sa o
ene o fa bag baby a de fire
the home say odi kan request ni free temansa na me bedun kran ha
no so me ni adiane no
na ko America de nsa pan ba na say man
da bo bread toffin do je bia bread toffin
den
o de toffin ba me ti studio one de me de bread me say oru adwa
de bia fi adura fe na ba
ah o so fra brocha ba ye toffin
on fa toffin bia me
uzan kan toffin
ba me be fi temana no to me nkra say ne yamu nyanti no
o di agene kase
wa na say ti enti me de aduane ba ya na me de call no office Wall Street ene so nua koku apai sa de ntina ene de me de akọ ne ade ya je
o sa partners and tentem say dey fine
enye bo apayo
na o to na akoto
ade we dey sa o dey say dey ase
ade wa shemu sa
o ka yi tete yi father fo ya went to what just come as some confession time.
I'm here.
I mean, him so boy.
I'm here, sir. Open the so-called room.
Now we say St. Paul's for 40th anniversary. Me kona me do Roma so dan ho no. Me hwa na say baabi ani wona. Hey, adie asemo.
Akwa ba ko say no akwa wi asofo na akokọ. No san ko gina ona. Awurade me sire ade am ye die we nye bi bombo ne teme. Akokọ ne sire pa for the safa kante no ko.
Sene esikutu
wa ko wi am akokọ sa be confirm wa chere
you ene mama kwa ba na ya mama akwa ba yi na ye wo ye awo mienu wo ye ntem ha nti omo nso no ye mo omo nso akwa ba na ja ye nti omo na omo na
omo nantesie tobo nantesie
udi banku ni nkruma de ba
omo nantesie yes nti ya sha say free me immediate writer opani akwa ba na me ba try for say
you're from Isaac Boysen from Holland.
Isaac Boysen from Holland. I don't know. Makwame money here.
If you Holland, Amsterdam.
You and in
Amsterdam.
Yamu akwaba. Iti irrigated na no any wa basu. Iti eno rafi. Ya go open you so. Media akwaba.
Yeah, you know what?
Na empom to say.
Empom the Christo Adom.
Yes, I love that. Now also I know free by.
But you're from Elder Asante. Me were Belgium Ghent Central.
And then akwaba go Belgium.
Me tane Kwame Kasa. Always.
Otane ne Kasa.
Ya utunufu kakra ho.
Obani Kasa ni chechi.
Mama nije.
Ma we wa say bisa Kasa no no na
it's not just a munda mo no
ni dia wona ID card nyina wonim
oba dia na minim
sa
akaso wa ma na mama no
ofa ofori no ma wo
ani o isu mo ba mo
ani o the two straight
enyama difufu no di chasa na
opani eba mo beti me kema
eti mo wo ina ya da bia na chese mo ran ya gated ya so
gated ya
mo fa ni agro
me banana say ni Esther se kra me no ka say
omutie
so mo me se kra de na ho mo so mo pe obo ade ati na say
na ehɔ no say yɛn fan say ebia na utie ufie ntie bia but wo hwɛ wanfo nkrofotie
pa
ya tese no ana mo de kele mo stress ne ya
juma ba na dru sata mo de ba ntie dia mabuada
wabuada wabuada and I just say I saw
some one make kakra there because you be call work 30th November but you sana mo krum ha
ona me nko
aye ko fo peduase pepo no I get it for nyina etikent fo ne
enye kentu
mo mahweme
bia na kan
mo mahweme na makọ hoda
na wona no ni peti onim se si ase gent so ayi no se ken
o but you can't Holland me boy
ni oni pe ba wabeka land asema
Misro Amsterdam and a man so free Ghent
so they can't
sana di Michigan ko she
and ko she UK ya mama kwaba ya
we yasia and ha kwa me dodo and why free ase and ha kwa me dodo
so obi anya
obi wa kabu o ma so na den yanyina so na manyi o my what ni shuru kwa bo ni ma uti ya tie no de na afa ase ho go butu sa ko se obeti wonya kwan asere o okay
yenwrem
yenwrem dia so ka
abran one ti openi enu asem
say e be say ko so
openi kire say ono no ne ma no
so on tia say won buada okay na enko ha say bia na de
openi dia I get one dance here
I get there 24/7 me say me wadwom kra na me sra my boss be that day my deal to be na and I dey say o me say in fact ana show because I program o besere come about the unquanti man sere sometimes jeribeti ana na you was say
aduma o ya
me ya so man na ya to me what this be so o mo ya ba ntimo ya fast na so nkoti ya gated enti da me say mama ko ka say obo ade asem na mama ko ya kotwa jingle atum pa de che ya na jingle so madam fu brother you ka hoyi
Sama me no kwakuti ni kache. Do so wadanya ne so no ye ne ye.
Ose Dabi ose wa bre. Ma bre. Sesia na me da so we so ma bre. Ya da wase pasa mutie ya na mugusu tie ya anti ya muso muntia ne wa anti ye bekoso ana ya ye de sese ya na enche bia no munhwe nim kwan sese no ye se de na no ye kan se ye be no either circles or chapters so what I say
atiefo ne ntia se ayabogas ne ba ko ne fon ne boy no ye obo ade bia de so obo ade we de ayaboga de ne boy
anti de nya ye de beto silent na se eti ye betetete chapters ne ade a anti se mumu se Europe die be baso so what I say Amsterdam die be baso Amsterdam I get Gent ne ade a na se ye tete kosa ne ade timuhwa nu kwa mo se mo ba se no ye beje mo yi kakra na duo na na yamamu ahwe na mo organize ne ade na chese bibia aye kama ne ade yo yembo nran ko
gated mra Holland so
ye beba israeli
kwa ye be konkomo nim na ansa kra no ayi papa ni ntoko yi se de aya trapo
papa ni ben
kokofo ba kokko ba ku ni kokko ba
ku se
omu nyina atukosoro ayi angels
abofofo
angel ni nya bibini bofo kwa ku aburu so and no one young crofo bi so abrochire ahode tane yefo and no my supporters nti we were one side we ya no we are battle
hey bro for number
rebata ma me na so da ka me ka mana de ka da
so we o ya say dey show na nko aye
onu ade pe obi an cash you onu aya no uze le be di atwi
oh ni po
enti omo rebata we sara
omo rebata sara kwa kumbe so me say ne kwa so mo de kwa kusi sai sa de we no mo so mo kire sai
ase
kwaku omo nya sa de ne ye na de me ye say Christian cancer wo kuro mu ase no omo dwuma pa ne sai
traso
Dabi
enkofa Christian cancer
adam omo ye Muslims omo the Christians
oti e udom Ghana Journalists Association uka ho
dabi mi nka ho
two days semfo nyom ne ba be kacha
amika so Christians sem tino wanye Christians sem
se nyankopon na mu wo soro what I say we dey ekono ma chene for manti wa open na akodom bi
oh but
jai emfo asem nko omo so mesrew
je me fa nko hwan
omo ko kan enkrofo ya asem se de omo si twa omo na pa so ba ko ne clear ka shani kom se ya ni free to
je omo sa
o pa yes and training yes o free Christian council for some day osofu we ni we no
o me ka so wo nhye hanse
mesrew pa ja omo nka za ekuo ne ho
tie nya omo sa kwa ku
oh emi omo chatawale o music am
oni music am
okay
omo kwa kwa hwe obo kwaku videos we pesa de man video this be very horrible
me ni omo adaje am ko tie tie
na no me hwe ba ko 40 minutes
40
wa hwe 40 so minutes that Ghana esem
ba kan yam asem ba ko kra o wo twa ne yonko adapa
at night day
we so free frame si ya we so no say we free frame si ya na say wa nyanyanse ni bia me na just say masa nipa no ya wo
papa
me na no na say bona me dai
ano ya aka Olympic Games won aka Ghana o medals a yentimi so
wow
me na me ka kire wo ba we na horoma we ne pa
de so kan we ye hu we akra na temane ni so akra na temane ni
omi nyina o temane akra o
ya
omu na branches say one tete one
shi ba ku yusu crawl bar de
crawl bar ni no wa shine ba ko
ba be crawl bar lusu we do we ma crawl bar lusu
we de beef we de
e bia we no ko e na so ka obi tira ba we lusu so cause one susu anya
oh mi ama ne ko good
omi anu
baba munya
okay ka say enye easy o so say uti ade na ho
ntwaye me ho say ntwaye kwaku
na kwa minim kra say sa so for nkwe bi battery nye
ni
na yesu say ye ka battery
hadrin
obani
yes
ayi obani o asemi aka
sir na mo ka so for na say na mpesa
kami oba no oba o
sese omo de nyame asem ankasa atopo na omo no gi animonyam ma omo onso bi ya bibia
omo ni abrepa
ese sanka aka se enam Jesus so
they say they omo yefri no
say they omo yefri
omo pen shortcut
wa bo no ani din na onse wi ase nipa bebre so ayira bebre ni afra
na so na nya so ya ma me ni problem no
no
hwe eno ba ko yam hwe de so funa nka se obu akatafuni eno mo man fans obi ba ho anwa fa hu nyina to form
eno no to form
papa yi eno
eno mo reason
ba ko sofo ba ko kra de wa chi asore ba ko akuntunu ho o kira sore man doggy yes again no paintain to say o say masisi ni kom kakra o pega no to say no tan to ejei
asori man dog
be man ubu a hwe se wa yiru oh
hey
obu atufata ne to mo ba na ti ko so I'm telling you
ogu enye
and I'm my wadam fu so dem pa ko si asori dem no si papa pam no si di si asori dem
God so obi that's one what dem chire
untia wetie
ai munya very careful ona okay but the point now goes you
as of wo mutum was mine
ai aso
wo tombo
obani said e nanado dey one district one factory ne one village one dam by obi si kebetimi a aka penalty nke yenye na national policy
penalty
Ghana ha penalty be bo edi enya papa the national teams no call akononom ku do penalties pena
and by national policy nke yen say
any one player one penalty ya bobo bia kwan bia be fa so bia ma play nya penalty abu bia then ya get match
every single game bia there is a penalty
the league match wie na ke bo draw a na ya yere wo mse mo penalty na fe ba convert 3 points ni man
okay
so te ase nti sane nke be kokwa wo mo but ye boni wo hoyi eni masa e na bo adwan de opage visa man fa no kwa brochire okwa be na no bisu
ba wona di na ni subeti mazesa
because of where that ain't
I want to na mani sumazesa kwa ku unsa me factor no say bosom we no ye breast cancer awareness month
na no say no for iya be kire nyina ni say
oni nyina wo
na no ado nsa ye mata no for
asa no ye
adi kromo sa no say kra na so om di
ko YouTube ko wo ho me me sua sa na maba
ani na bre india
na kwa ku we de me chem na nya da bia na meka masam say breast cancer ye me man so
but on a minimal
but ba kokoro etimi ye etiwe no screening di be koso to minim say o me ma details no be kɔ dia no so akosi say e wa kra mo enti no ye nyina ye nkɔ ne nkɔ hwe nufu say because adwuma mu so tibi sio be hwe nufu ba za akɔ nufu ide be ma pa
ye you na kan
ko fa sam me mo bi e
say be di de die say
utibi sia be ba du o hwe nufu as e akɔ die
hwe be di de nufu odi gina we ti say
the Brazil go size 45
utibi say cancer bobo benya ba bi atena eti me mani nyina so ye nkɔ na ye nkɔ hwe die no ye awareness no week dem de aba no 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 so ho asam no
awa check
date ni ye 7 to 30th October
ono de say de tie say
me de mu ye den
nye no kre nye no kre
nye de mu omre na kokura bi mu
nye no kre
de dem
de o say mu e den no kra oboa na anu de ya omo ye roro hu wi ya ho na mu say akwa yan
be man ni fu atiegu di ade
say dance not on chef vest was you no sin na shirt ne pen na adi wo ye ya o yes wo ye ya pen akwa nu fu yi aya hwe video me video no ho
wa sa video we
da me mo twetwe ana
me video no
na bi da bo bi ade
na de na atiegu
na me no fi da atiegu pa ni me tie me no fu
nye na ikwaku na ka me
kwaku de me mu akwa
video no ho la wo de ahye sin ya tu
na no fu na kasa wo ye kwatiegu
adie na tia tu
so hwe ne bobre na obi hu
gwafo bi so mo ko wo ye na kasa bi to mo dwane agya kwara no ma me ni papa ni nyina adwane agya kwara so doctor for ni mfa kwara
omo agya kwara no hospital
omo adwane ko
omo ntimi ntua for weji
boy e bom no charges no omo ntimi ntua che ya no chere ni se for chere wati ni kita no wa kire ho ana omi ori nyina fa sabu akwa
omo agya kwara
omo da kwara omo de acha ban am sa ban mfa do
oh when you say
where Delta State Nigeria no yes I did how they are so much for population ya is out
when there
as kwa ho ka abo was be ma so cry as
na Lagos na ya na mwana fine car pao fresh pa na ye van say ke this year ye van say 2019 car pa na obi de car na twi oh just say ono or the can trigger now to say why can when you oga sorry oh when you is sorry oh just wo gusu o kokra na I say no go many times how now be shall go out to say new car pa you challenge the bumper ni fender you twitwu oh debi
kwaku papa bi so
omni ada je say
wa won kwala nko 100 wasan ware ma 3 na ni nansan ya san aka na yere no mo
o won kwala wa 100
what did 94 years wa over 100 children
ada ende o je den
I was on the hobby and so wa won kwala no ware and na ye no hobby
My hobby no song wo.
Kwako be ma ba ko betima wo more than 100 won. We akwana yen fa so nyem ma ne dia.
Bema de. 1 week ubetimi anyema 5 week. Onye ba ko na emi ba ko.
Ma do we try there. Oh. Yes man that's right. In the try so we nyam for.
Nwa nkrofo we. Obi na wo under near che no me de kakra we so ma me
5 and 6.
I'm here for.
Oh, never become for.
There you crow why don't mean trans
o de wo ya so awie no. Sesi e se nyame ye adom na se ba ko bi be fam na.
Nyame oba ya adom mo iska on fa 7 bia nto no mo iska sesi.
Etu ko ware oba bi no no so ye na asensa na adwen sa fe no so be wo ne de a. Benden.
Na se be ma fe no be wo.
And there is all your vasectomy.
Na be o me ma fe no so be wo.
Enti o ko pe de oba fe no be wo.
It is our back no ko pe be ma fe no so be wo. Had some young wadi mo team pose.
Kuko break a friend where resume my men. Kuko break how many years? Kika boom.
6 years.
Very much 6 years. Upon the better my break how many years? Ya bo break over crowd mo ado no.
I didn't find who
okay, Musa is there no friend we say
Asevo. Bani asamoja so na akotena India is say some for some pedodo. It was in India for a bit me na foreigners in Emra bi. So omo hono system no mo nche dem bie musa. I say hono cricket no mo bopa.
Papa ende. Omo ya de won pa.
Ya kran ke sports be concentrate so no my omo de nka be boy. Ya se no nyina boy bo na nyina ye ntwataw. For the past here years ni blast time
you have talent just say ye ma ye nimre. So they say.
And me who blaster bass.
Say chum.
Me who no 37.
Na has bass in your ba hu yo.
Say you know.
Say me nyamu yo.
Say na de me.
We are me to card mo.
Is it we are tourist attraction.
Wa go rese. So obepe has for na e wo Belgium. Na.
I supporter.
Omo adidin to work akra de a.
Obenina what you kwasi apianka.
Coach kwasi was when yankrofo num bia. When you're willing so in Beba Magana.
Kwasi onya asa na.
Yes what two Kwanso go play.
Na me ken was when
international breaker. Obi akọ ni kro ma okọba ma ni team.
Was boys no e ye omo a wa show mo ache wa stadium ache ana. Won wan akọ.
Ohwe mo PlayStation so na Nintendo.
When na ye willing so when Beba Magana.
Omo ye Ghana.
Omo ye Ghana for ma.
O the dress na ba.
Omo bobo dim bi ni ade
Obani nti obi obo box na obekọ heaven. Because America I box only you 27 years. Why aburu na mani koko ma wo. Because me ba na me ka so sorry up to now on sorry. E jodi ba ko aburu mani koko ma obekọ heaven.
Adwuma hono so ye.
Say you chi.
E bi adwuma bonus ha dia.
Oh, why there's so called red light. Red light from obekọ heaven na.
Red light omu na heaven straight.
Omu na dey.
Omu na ba
heaven straight.
Say and there we candidate titiro.
Unim tro no mo.
O so ne ha no pa ko.
There candidate
titiro. Abraham Moses suma Joshua mo say won konkohwe ekwan mu no.
Hallelujah.
Anki ye be chi o makom say Rahab. Ono adwuma no ye ne red light. Ona chi o mo share dem.
Ona ede wan sie.
Edi omu de omu ye automatic heaven no mo.
Ya na adwempa o mtu ehuma bro o mu.
Ba ono no say no saa de na oyeye no odinya enkwaje ma one ne fiefo. So atase.
Saa nkwaje no. Na se ene ye ko wo Kristo no.
Sa. Ba kwaku ka ge bi so a ono ohunu Jesus ya odi aduham gu ni na ho. Atam nua na hye ne enum. Afifi ho ama ne ye Yesu dem Yesu ka
se. Na ofre no nua no.
Mami na bodi.
Asem we de mintimi ngam.
O Yesu din.
Yes. Wow. Ja no so yeso oyen krofo ne bia o. E ti ade wiase de odum ye bia no oyen ni ye. Ba ko ye ni ye o se bia ba Bible.
Sa.
Yes, boss ni ko say Jesus munyano.
Na Jesus dey no.
Say atam no ye nipa. O say atam de no ye nipa.
In the building.
Oh, apani atam no ye nipa.
Apani owi ano actually ma be no
Why you be so chill?
Yo,
every Belgium Lydia Ajeman.
Yo, be tell something to so far. And then the Belgium for Belgium for. Me nwie kwa. Na me person bisa say e adwuma na say e bone. So be buru be na ekoko ma no.
Adwuma no ye.
Atiefo no mentro
adwuma no ye.
Because boxing there unua onya wo hwe.
No abona ma na.
Oburu na ne. Ya da no omo ya yi. Oburu na na ni ma shift.
Owo obekọ hell na obekọ heaven.
And I said because Bible mpento kwa.
Atiefo be ba jare in ma.
Una say your friend is saying. Money pack you. Oye staunch Christian pa.
Oye disofo
o kasa bia kra ya ti ni comment ayo make.
Thousands of houses wo Philippines on the man.
Officer that's on sorry. He has been hospital since omie na ni kura no wakasa onya knockout no wasan kokoma adwuma ni bi adwuma ya den bebi so adwuma ya den pa
ho sika na ofe
ndira mo so mo sika sa no
se sika de da na so fa na easy dia se ho asem no so nya
kwaku ane ye kwa work ni wi a maboga fonti ase ase ensi wo ha ye besan ye irrigated all white party aye 28 December what ya senti baby obi a no one for coat white amakra bi na am for free bedroom Famro, any Amsterdam, and Famro.
I won't jerry I from a coat to nation.
Aha, jerry I from the Acherofu. One country.
I get it.
Now you cannot in ye into what tea. Mon fanasa.
Yantininka. I feel Facebook netted down for
Facebook one.
Out of a pan and
number be
Ghana for Francasa. I'm out for a smart to
engage some more started Monday by 2 minutes.
Engagement. No,
send me na me phone wo me ho. Afi me hwe ne ma na minya no happen na.
Na say ewiase hu.
Ade onipa ko odi ka di bi send me no. Me ti aso dem mo na no. No be a run video for US. E dey abrem ya me na me wo mu.
Enu tina so fune yes obi wa asem ka no na mfifire nkete o. When your information is ade no kwada da. Ade su nya nwie.
Because we be na asem ko fo baba ma.
Unia asere no konso wa ya bona ba. O gina piti na say. Mayam shisho.
Sada many ko round sa na ade a.
O so we be pia.
Sentina na mitigate we na no. Because ahana na ben pa.
Eti
ya pena say na akutonzo a bad boy pa. One of the photographers no. Later no say boss. I say one bomb pa bia na wani nkata za.
Na umie wani. Wo bia wani.
So he so bi mfumu bia.
Sawa some kind of so omunya kan omunya
kan nanim say o asem kan kra no eno keke no kra na hye dan hard win say na de na hard win say oso wo de wo yi bia wo de be ya so yigina oba bia wo gina ho na na ya be ba ho na
ya be ji asem ne wo ho
nti ho na wa hwe no obi sori akodwo so keke kra
we am do say pan ese so be di boni
obeni pack o ka o baby na o hwe around the same punch bi o a before so be ja ho akwa ja ho akwa ade aponchi aye obi ka mo no
omoku
dabi o gina ho no o hwe ka
wa hu ne ho win screen
wa hu ne ho
enta o ka
punch fro one ne ko na ti a no bepem ka no
o papa
ru ne ba ele wa mo ka mo no ti a wa mo ho no nyina
yes
asemo we fearful check out no am say that bro to shine ya de kro kai bi
na especially black cars no unya metallic black ni bi na ya na tie shine point unya kra nice or reflection
na me say bi tom Frankfurt
na abrocha ponje
na me ko pa adwuma na arhe no company hono omo clean say say arhe ho me so maso an shit
speed na de kona
speed na me koro e pon no na me me wan say mo boom ma collapse
what happened
me mo maso na hu e ga say bi do
we say bi so as you hada sa glass here wa here
o bet ma pem say
tabia ya bi ato e no obi ye mistake tum nti obi bo no so serious pa ono so twa no kra
twa ponchine dibem
when say ayi ko gasa ma say won ja na kakra nti bo no bo pa o inter
ya enfo na ja na kakra no
say omo anom de jate be gini gesi
omo hehe mu
ayi Steven Apia ko no se number 10 o shira so kuse edi makodwa asamo
I don't know be shira so ko na wadi mfa ngona
o da bi so no ye captain so ko no se ye fa gesi ni mass messi a na sa abere no so no ye ka omo na wo team no from 2008 kodwo no wum what you say na so de man say na MCW bi ani wo ho ye nim ni pakro de up to now ye nya obi ama ne nkire ni pakro ye te an say kodwo so oda na jate bia ba so on fa jesi ni man e won nan
ajata no ko bo 5 na so
jata kokokokokoko
jata ri akoko
eni ba hwe mo bi e kokoko tinu no
me ya hu jata no
ya hu no
ha obi nyuma se jata bi ole
o jata yi se ya na suma adwo na mpa azizi o che number 20 by force
me ya hu jata no
o ya hu no na baba Raman so yesi AC Milan for so any abrede ndende se omope no nti na ɛho asɛm ɔpani ayi P4P asɛm ɛyɛ asɛm kɛseɛ kyɛ sɛ man no yɛse n'ani abere sɛ deɛ ayɛ ndeɛ ɛne ne yɛbɛtwe ama nate yɛte ne toa ne po ba mu ananie
na arbitrator ne sesɛn
sesei deɛ ɛno really nyambae but we normalization for opposition no matake and say on person chase nkusi baby but ono so ayi na adwen say asem no ne o de bekwa akusi baby ebeko
baby ni nyina mu Ghana football na bebre St Junction ya de be Manchester band yentiment
because the house of football na me ya no
house of football ya den
because ayi ambroi ebe to sese mo fa mo match
ba toko the strike na how many caps
o ye de Africa am
for wo de agia he wo so fan je hwe da
strike jesi kokumase ko hwe amanfo they say Africa ye dey akọ African countries mako be 8 amankofo hu anya wo manya so mfa so enfa na mo dey akọ enfa na mo dey
mana asan
me dey na mo dey ko nkoko nkoko no mo dey ko boy ensuo ko bo ma jesi ye tan ene na no so mo ni
ade jesi na e ba ko be o ka se jesi e ba ko ba jesi
jesi da bro mo di 2 ba se mo hye mo hwe afere mo hwe
say me be nyam say house for issue
about otra mo ba si mo yes so sorry fe na ade asum
opani asem ne say jesi ne de bra yen no Ghana football esan se yempa ni fo ya da pa funti ya mo league bia okrom ha anu nya house of folk na ya ye wo
ite pani be na twa na da pa
obi o football mu ya besi ne aburu ahene ya mo league okrom ha no o na ya da pa afo
ite contract na be next month mo ni Ambro Volien
enwuna ade ye renew on buy ball be ne abo
ene se ne am benefit no
ko de o ka no obo uni man we
na contract yi na san yo
ade wo ye renew
broni na okoye no de tuntum be we no okoye
na se okoye afi na tade na ba
David. What's that contract now?
I feel that I didn't buy
contract. They was signed to keep first from the same day.
It's a subject to renewal. You're more league open Israel away. Okay. No, you're striking the ban. Or you're say what they buy. No, you're more papa bia.
About Africa or they buy last year about Africa. This year about Africa. There's some.
And the young qualified. There be no Kobe no kosi say.
Oh, say no Kobe.
There be a young sir. There be. Also, Amsterdam. You do Uganda near you are busy. Ko for Uganda kwa Amsterdam ye duro dia say papa wo nko bi ma beti ase
say na ya wa Uganda bi ni bia mansa
oh Uganda for ni airline Tam Africa Ghana for na mu ni airline
eh say na
Uganda ni airline there be Uganda
Ghana penny
there be okay make Uganda
national airline
by okay make Uganda
they mean say
Uganda ni bia na Uganda ni airline
say me form play that me
Uganda
me dem say but enye Ghana and the only African country only.
Oh, my calling back Ghana. I said, "Come to Ghana." But money dinner. One day, Bibi, we can Togo. Togo for my airline. They want Becca. Eritrea. And I know Coca. Ya come my Bobra. She 2 years. And I didn't pay here. This you know the man on their own penno. I said, "The Coca Eritrea now 12 hours no open." And the Eritrea. My woman near me. No, who say
Ghana pension. Ghana don't go pension.
I what pillow then send me out together. Meaning also in the yard or say Messi Cristiano Ronaldo omo board there. But all time best there. Ronaldinho na sa papa ya say same also look crazy Brazil ni Brazil or the just say on winning bomb
oh me that guy
also was feeling well
me even now that on your active no me o ka say me best footballer
me one of the ever talented footballer
I wouldn't say what be say me kwaku be say
and the word play can not far from
that guy there
yes
fantastic na ni ti anye yie ama ono no era no wantimi anye nyane ma bi mu a we no
oh no ye do be nyina
oh
but ba no oginani ka ho
oh yeah oh no gidi oginani
we mo gi sika no mo de egu bank
na da bi nya ne sample kra no enye ne sika no
sama ni bi
da millions no mo jo money
enye sa aspect
go to the same thing
enye na me kan go
to yes e ka do kro no areas bi o kro ntimi
kwa kwa mi po de enye ne sika sam na aspect npo na se de we no mo e de gi omudin ne ene wawi we watch wawi we
Ronaldinho no ba betu Zidane o betu Ronaldo asa
it was on time
and Luis Figo
so tina make say
Davis Beckham mo
tina make say ono ne era no and eno na ntimi amoa na mo no ntimi anya sa shine na we no de akọ mienu ana omo battle ene we gi ana we watch na we age sa ne ade aba the guy oye fantastic pa on there
na kwaku ayi footballer Sadio Mane so nim no abrantie bia me force ya kwan ya onam so eye na dwuma football mu no efata boso bode na me tie ni interview no so no de wo mu se sika de wanya bi de but on fa sika no to Ferrari ni nyoma nyoma o de be boa ehiafo nko a kwaku me hwe documentary bi a hospital a wasi a nkrofo akomu no aye ne kwale bu ya
enye no nko a o
he's
done so many
just
things.
almost every day he's doing something. It may make sure say we so bisika nyo bisika de but Ghana players no so mu nsua sa nema we na mo so mo small way no ommoa nye se bi on be sika no to kasa kase nko a
Ghana so ya me hu se binim ko
kwa be futuo de o ya de o
na se futuo de eye
binim ko yi prisoners
yes Christian Christian
and one no brother no Ghana one observe you
no yeah no last year
last year there na me
Sada na me video bi mambo
this year there maintain ho kra
but
last year there
last year
was on Sunday
na Sunday no kwa kuna no brother no am say breast cancer awareness no dey here and just say man ni yom nufu nante na guess be be twitwa mu dia to social media say na enje da enje
na twitwa nufu to social media sana
kwa ku say na ayi ni kwa kosia no kwa da hono nya ayi kwa kuma nu
omomfai
akosia na gaza kwa da social media hwe say yankwala akro pani ubenya sa dia bia hwa bi ni bia ko hwe no
na we I correct sana dey
mama ka say vitro if you na you
utimi wrong obi kura wa bra o hwe mpo hu sa de no etsen
na me akwala pa na unu say ya na ma no kosi ne ma wonsu ma ne yakɔhwe omo me akwala nyane nyansa no wo na yakosa na
we ye nyansa
yakosa na ye fa
nyansa fu we
yakwa ye fa ma na nim to mu hu ye pa no bia say and who's a no I didn't cause a position in Ukrainian actually on one more to boss in our farm and come for you about Jerry of the radio
because about the Australia
I would have said that Busum now one kind
the boss is almost should be the
yeah fam
Abeniti nyame adma 30th November
na December 28 so
ya party near the atwas yene Yakubu wi me ne Yakubu wi na ebre na tian hello Yakubu Mubarak Yakubu traffic Mubarak Moto no and they enter to go for fuse bundle there but when the only core bundle expire it will be friend networks out on in our browser with no expiry wahala when say ban Airtel to go fuse bundle there not just a time no be problem at all ti fa ho jimbi na emu ye pa yi phone na bosi a *567# na wa bundle na say no Airtel to go say life is simple. Hello Yakubu
hello mo ba say
Ujai.
Vijina class canis the brother wa we mu
ko anim
canis brother the father ko na the traffic na wo canis brother are not here papa aya Ofie aka na o baba o pa canis ya and one pass is and say afi ho no brother traffic na tia ma lanes ni na sebu e fa bukra no edi cars ko ne bi ba no adi fa adi so free ya kana so kana shasha and one pass e mo na so o be pass through na so asasi a e sheba e soro no asasi a no so e sheba the traffic na no odi Ofie take a wodi ba tamu sa free da runabout no wa ba be piemu e won new plan tin that gen so oho na jaw kakra wodi ko enu kakra runabout bi so oh when ho so ana traffic no sa runabout na Ofie new plan a wo ko ho no traffic no asa no every sa runabout no what ada we piemu e wo ye condition overhead na se na traffic no identity lanes ni nyina e di ba condition ba jawi traffic no anu a di ho ye papa nye pa diagro bebre na ba ya ma adwen se uduru e ye new plan a wo mane afa ye new plan ho sa kwan na da ho na da go piemu e wo e ye condition kru no ho so bra jere ho so traffic no ho anu a di ye pa ho so e ko sulu a wo sha police bokra aba bi jina ma mo sha se sa ho traffic no on be control ho de ne sa ho so anu aye den enu ti se o ba esa ne se oho nyina atiti ba bia esa wo fa ne se bomodi asa wo ba ko fa eye overhead ne so I think wo ko car price no come straight overhead ne so na come straight ne so ko car price no do ave no traffic light no wa no man asa ne wo ko industrial area no industrial area no wo ko bi industrial area no didi mo aba ko fa eye latest pompo anim ho ko fa ye Tiga Africa anymore and what come out with I would on the road no through I would on the road no turn off a right now go straight only no more could be more first traffic like that is what do what the traffic in the and then back and see the budget traffic and what year by the time I'm back and see Muti and any budget better was
and that Mubarak Yakubu saw the traffic reports on Ebre. Yeah, trust Wako anymore. Now, they are and Emma Super Cement. The patrol way a high quality, super strong European standard cement. You're developing especially for Ghana. Yes, cement, I'll bet me on to so ever so. What is you daddy or concrete works in now? What them my papa and a ebemu. We soon yamin chadi and Ghana here CBI for an area our tema free zone enclave block factories in masons ne contractors ne noa and omunene omuaje dia tu ne bono so eda form boko kra patrol phrase 055 306 0517 Supercell build your dream. Eya sonkulele I'm panono. Me patrol way imboost herbal mixture. Police ni no edru no. Enu ni papa. We na wunya bia. Health problem bia wo bia no na etu atwa. Men twene yare ansa na wanum police ni edru ni bi. Oho odin ye wo de num bi. Na enyema bia hinta de egu so ayese ba da chi bia beka wato no ehwe ne nsiesie ni nyina ma prekope why menstrual disorders say you liver na kidney na problem aba ho akoma na okokoso ba bi na etete wo usisi kotodwe o spine ni ne ho abansem be ma de down 9 temu eya yekodwo to ebe san sini dadam bi mu ate wa pressure diabetes na kra ya na onase ahon atata ni ade obi wa ne ba bi atititi wuti ni kra wonte no police ne drone bi wa imboost ba message drone din no ebe boa Kings walk or can she drag lane afi P1 na bo ache ba wo ye temane akra so abenya bi Hillside Pharmacy on Koko Ekus Pharmacy wa Shama una ya available Patrol phrase 0243 115948 and a 0246 208 496 Forever Construction and Consultancy Limited and they OD on 10th anniversary na 10th anniversary a year 18 ya tete and sase no eso and they fast growing area back pa Chokoli the proposed new airport important way said the amount for jeans as easy Branayan farmer at a cool price of 7,000 Ghana cedis half plot 4,000 wajin could now come out to break cook as one potem once no bar full plot 6,000 half plot 3,500 Dodowa Hilltop full plot 12,000 half plot 7,000 cool now call baby we're open to the general public will be on the 18th of October and as I promo we be kona we nti ma wonya ha terms and conditions apply be only a check on Awudu me estate here be Awudu me roundabout no phrase 050 9999 828 na phrase 050 1636 365 Papa's Pizza Okwado pizza bi unya bi abedi but u feel lazy peso be pie asikro wo de friend na family o Legon and important one for Legon branch no 050 5566 566 Springtest phone from Fred 050 291 1721 more Osu and the environs more Fred 0266 356 523 Circle phone from Fred 056 00 27193 Papa's Pizza. Taste it, love it. Traffic cement. The unya at the totals and 1 day every week. We're high quality wall and floor tile adhesive. They are suitable for all ceramic and a marble tiles out on ya. Ye tonton. A cranny to my baby a tonton tiles and cement in our car benya biato. Correct pa. For the totals I actually say queen or why cry and why be Piemu away tema, Mammy Secunde do be a here beyond Sabeka Shaman Tima Market Bio, Malam Blue Cross. And yes, out there, phrase 0548 807 720. Face 0548 807 723 and 0244 421 635. What on the door if you in factory or the Kujawa project site or free untia transport via bed bags solution papa pan and Ines Fly for Kofadia Bay. Ines Fly Africa and then they more introduce Ines Fly bed bag solution and trauma and crosso so close and title. Very simple. When you come up formulated with the latest technology, water based and ready to use. Ready to use. Come up. It contains 3 unique ingredients. Yeah, no ne boama etimi ekumway fast cry. Schools, hotels, guest houses, hospitals, health centers, general home infestations. Free. For best results, no patrol and papa. No, I shall no apply to the surfaces to be treated. No, Jana Mana will come up. Effective. Because we kumwana continuously for 4 weeks. Now I in a month's time, now I say I repeat a procedure, same procedure, and be a matches or trust with the co anymore. Available supermarkets and shops out in the nationwide. The door pan phrase 0577 701 000 and our face 0302 228 422. Ines Fly for a pest-free life. Finally, our first day do on a Roma insecticide spray. For Kumutuntum na air free. Me say for welcome Navy. A baby is not just nice fragrance or them or umping up at the end. The crown is well cool as a doom and so do me as well. A smokeless. You come one and for how be around near Busiano. And Tuntum into one Unamania, come national mass and wife free. You deserve the best. So go for Roma insecticide spray and mosquito coil all the time. Roma insecticide spray and coil and Tonton Master. We are another quality product if it's Samara Company Limited.
Masa, Ghana, so we correct Mason pa. And you make us super. Me a super Mason and Kasa. Because our job no and better. They won't see how beautiful and high quality your work is. That be what them they use believe you. That be why me too. It be only super cement at the use. Cement mu cement. Cement papa. Inti me cranks in from because it's super. Because me the super cement and DVD.
Super cement is designed to ensure that your buildings stand strong for generations.